some of our chemistry students asked me to explain this oxidation number rule. So number one, for an uncombined element like oxygen O2, hydrogen H2, sodium, potassium, argon, neon, for an uncombined element, even when we say O2, it is not combining with other element, right? Yeah. So for all these uncombined element, always 0 is the oxidation number. Okay, number two, for charged ion, where they mention sodium ion, Na plus in the equation. So whatever the charge mentioned, Cl minus, so minus 1 is the oxidation number. So Na plus, so plus 1 is the oxidation number for sodium. So the charge, whatever the charge mentioned, the charge is the oxidation number. And for fluorine, it is always minus 1. And for alkali metals, lithium, potassium, right? Lithium, sodium, potassium. So for alkali metals, always plus 1. Group 1, right? Group 1 elements, always plus 1. And for group 2, alkaline earth metals, right? So for magnesium, plus 2. So for all the group 2 elements, it can be calcium, barium, yeah, plus 2. Oxygen's oxidation number is minus 2 except in peroxide like sodium peroxide, Na2O2, hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Over there alone, it's minus 1, right? A reason for Na, it is plus 1. For alkali metals, always plus 1. Number 2, Na will be plus 2. So the oxygen should be minus 2 for 2 oxygen, right? That means for 1 oxygen, it is minus 1, right? And then for hydrogen, always plus 1 except with metals, right? So over here, when I say sodium hydride, right, NaH, for sodium it's always plus 1. In that case, for hydrogen, it is minus 1, right? So except in metal hydrides, always it's plus 1, right? Okay. And then for compound, if you take any compound, the sum of oxidation number should be 0. So for example, sodium chloride, sodium plus 1, chlorine minus 1. So the sum of oxidation number for that compound is 0, right? Yes. Now tell me, what is the oxidation number of manganese in potassium permanganate? So over here, we know oxygen is minus 2, but there are 4 oxygen, so minus 8. And as we have seen, sum of oxidation number should be 0. That means potassium and manganese should give plus 8, right? And also we have seen potassium, which is group 1, alkali metals, always plus 1. Which means, which will give you 8 here, manganese should be 7, plus 7. Right? You can also calculate like this. K, we know plus 1. So plus 1, right? So this plus what? Manganese, which is, we need to find X. And over here plus minus 2 into 4, which is minus 8, right? So we should find this, right? Now take X, which is plus 7.